In this video, we are replacing the battery for the Altec Lansing Omni Jacket. First, just remove the rubber housing around the speaker. This can be a little tricky. Now you can just pry off the front and rear meshes. Now make sure to loosen the screws shown in this video, but make sure not to lose any of the screws. You can now pry off and let loose the lock of the bottom case cover. Make sure to apply a little pressure evenly and be careful not to snap any parts. Pry off and also remove the top case cover as well. Now gently remove the front panel. Just be careful because there are wires attached inside. Now you can unplug the original battery with your pry tool. You can now install your new Cameron Sino battery, ready to bring your speaker back to life. You can now install the front panel. Make sure to tighten each screw. You're going to make sure you click and lock in the top and bottom of the case covers. Now install the front and rear wire meshes. Install the rubber housing. This part can be a little tricky as well. Just make sure to wrap it on properly. Our battery has 7,800 mAh, 3.7 in voltage, perfect for this Omni Jacket, which fills the entire room and space with its immersive sound. It's also waterproof, shockproof, snowproof, and it flows.
Powering on. Welcome to Altec Lansing.